Folagade Banks, welcome inside the Poppy Sold Out Show, exclusive on 95.1 Wazobia FM.
Oh, thank you, Papi. Thank you, Papi.
He choke.
I feel welcome.
Fola,
Yeah.
you na content creator, actor, skit maker, every influencer in your own right, promoter,
Yes.
every.
Yes.
He choke, ebelebe.
Or gather.
Or deme wokoko. So, but to get to one talk where Morris been talk, MC Morris. We're going to make you choke mouth because you self now also skit maker in your own right.
Yeah.
He say skit makers these days now, from the look of things, they take over the comedy industry because unity no today among the senior colleagues will be comedian for the same industry. What be your take on this matter?
I just feel like me personally, I dey always talk and say as time goes by, new things go dey sup.
All right.
Before the advent of social media, we had all these our legends making us laugh on the stage. Do you understand? On YouTube, we only get to see them in movies once in a while. So as time goes on, social media came. And this new generation of creative geniuses, they went on it.
Okay, he doesn't speak English. Okay.
You go manage my pidgin.
Okay.
You get.
Alright.
you go just the
We
cheaper me, small. You get.
Mm.
You get. So I just feel like not time. Everything get own time. You get. A lot of people now, comedy show before. Maybe now twice in a month, 3 times in a month, every weekend. But now, content creators don't make comedy show there on your phone 24/7. So
Without paying too much for tickets.
without
Now.
paying too much, just your data.
And logistic issues now.
No need for any transportation. Before
Oh,
you
them
go
no
face
work.
traffic, do this. You go even day your house, they consider, say, shall I go fit go this show? Shall I go? But now, comedy there on your phone, on your mobile phone. Carry phone like this, you open them.
Especially with
They
the
laugh,
last
they
goes
go.
of this country. You use
You
comedy to
get.
cope now.
You get, but at the end of the day, I still feel like everybody's still there. You get, we still need each other. The Agbas will be our legend, the comedians, because we see that they do not be small task. Hey, you go there in front of 1,000 people, they make them laugh without rehearsal, without anything, without cuts, without this. So they be
Whereas
legend.
for your own demont now, for your own field, it they cut it.
Content creator, you fit do
put
am, you know,
effects.
like am, do am again. You get. But for stage,
On
nothing
the
like
spot.
that. So we have to put a big respect.
If you're not fun, they fit throw you slippers. They fit boo you. Come
You
on.
get. So they stood the heat.
Hmm.
You get. And they with the you get out there, they always
I
talk
can't
that
they feel
say-
hit. Because let me on let me on the
say
second hit.
they share now they cross so that we could walk or something. Get out these English people, they always talk am. You get.
But you finish school. You sabi English well.
I try. I try, Papi.
It
Papi, I try small.
they show for your speech.
So we guys they honor them. Easy.
All right.
They don't did there.
All right. Another thing I go sharply ask you before we go on that break, and of course the fans go through come out left, right, and center. This is to your heart of hearts.
Okay.
In your heart of hearts, we don't get plenty complaints across online sales for products where you and your colleagues they influence or promote. Say this is not the work. One they give content creators and the influencers or skit makers, once they give them
Money.
what they call a money or ambassador work, that's or you think at the point now. They go down they sponsor this, they promote, they they endorse, I think at the point now.
I get
So
you.
I go like no, you trust the brands where you and then they ask you to sell. Or you don't do it for the money, that is to put food on your table.
Me particularly, even though nobody where you go bring con here go talk say they do it for the money. But me, I'm gonna talk based on my personal perspective.
That's
from my
personally.
own point of view, POV. Tell me, I know if he take advert job from brand where I know believe in or where I know they use. Now why you go say, if you see me, they do all these I know one mention brands names or witty brands they do, but you get some kind brand where you go see say my brand no fit align with, and I know go fit ever do am. Something will be like magic. I know the you get. I know the. But something will be say
the one where they fast where
no you get no the one where we say
chemical processing.
the one where we say they go talk something now. You say go reason and say Abba. I know if you do am. So anything where you see me carry for my head, now something where I believe in personally, and that's something where I feel advise anybody say main do. You get. I know if you see bush for road now. I can't talk say now that bush me. My audience follow enter. No, I know be that kind of influencer. I beg.
Correct.
I beg.
All right.
I beg.
All right. Honestly, most of you.
Well, some people shall maybe maybe I know Sabi, but for me and a lot of good content creators I know out there, good, they know fit.
So that means they are bad ones.
I know say so.
Yeah, when you say good,
I said good.
mention one good and one bad one. Just whisper one.
I be small picky for your eye. Nah, make sure good and bad.
Oh, damn, I think you catch me there.
Papito, what set me up? You didn't say me I go talk.
All right. It gets certain things where African parents still they do, where they never still want leave. The way they act, they relate to their picking. What are the better things you think African parents should emulate, embrace as they go on? Because life is changing, things are changing. Even if you're comedy, still they use their old ways now. This is your time to speak to the African parents.
Our Nigerian parents, African parents. I think.
You know, say what's a family brand now.
Yes.
So you're speaking to the family now.
To the family. I think me our papa, mama for house. May then they support their children more when it comes to their dreams, their career.
Immediately the parents hear that their people want to do music. Oh, they
no go gree. But I thank God say a lot of parents today don't they realize say
they don't open
anything where child good him. May do. May do It's not until your child become doctor or lawyer. Maybe until that time go film maker. You get?
Yes.
So they should just make them give children the liberty. You know, make them observe their talents. Make the parents observe their picking talent. You get? Okay. Now wait till you good in be this. Now wait till you good in be this. It's good though. If you want to do this, do it. You get?
Yes, sir.
But I no go put my own what do they call them? My own opinion. I no go say, okay, don't do this. You get? Make them give them the liberty. Make them get that freedom to pick their own choice.
I intentionally say make you answer this question. Because a lot of African parents watch you and with you they feel proud of their ways. So I want you with your own match from the Osseous match and make it try address that.
Make them hear that one.
You know they do and for comedy, Abi.
That one.
Make it for no. But one last question before we move on top of the show. You personally, especially in the comment section, from the hearsays, left, right, and center, if you don't hear a few criticism concerning your choice of gender switch, you never hear?
I never.
Okay, make I tell you. A few of your colleagues, what I mean, would have to essentially change to a woman to make a point comically. You feel me? And then when you are switching to that role, people begin to doubt, how things are down there and everything. And up there. What you got to say to that kind of criticism?
Mama Deola character is a character that if you watch very, very well, no be the kind of character where we say go need do too much. Today comical. I don't need use earring. I don't need do makeup. I don't need pull breast. I don't need say, I won't do this. No. Because at first, when I was even doing this content, it was monologue. I know they dress the part. I know they do the robe. Do you get? It was mainly monologue. But as time went on, they said, we have to give Mama Deola face. In case you won't do this, you won't do that. This brand needs you for this. If you wear shirts like this.
All right.
They talk say you won't play Mama Deola. You get? All right. So now why we guys what do they call her? Include that into the character. All right. And when I was picking the costume, I know one dress, You get. I don't want dress too much. So I just said, wait be that way. The same person wear. No they too. You get. No they too because no I bet.
A lot of talk they left and center.
So I can't wear robe. Can't thank God say. God accept them.
Bam.
And he move.
Chook mouth. 95.1